Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. I'm super excited. Today we are going to be talking about the babybox. So babybox is a monthly subscription, and that is targeted towards babies from 0 to 3 years old. And each of these boxes come tailored to the baby's age and development, and then they also include some goodies for the mama. Babybox delivers every month, and they have 3 different types of options. You can do a monthly one, a 6-month, or annual one. If you choose the 1 month, it is $56.99. The 6 month is $46.99, and the yearly price is $39.99. And what is so amazing about this box, I haven't opened it yet. I'm gonna open it with you guys. I did open it and like take a peek, but the amazing thing about this box, it is valued with over $100 of products. I'm so excited to show you guys what's inside. And they offer free shipping within the USA, and they also do worldwide shipping, so don't hesitate if you're out of the country to check them out. I will go ahead and link their website down below, but as you can see right here, and I will go ahead and link that down below. And just go to shopbabyboxes.com. I do have a discount code. Just go ahead and use Natasha15. I will go ahead and link the website and my discount code down below as well. So let's just go ahead and get started. I'm super excited to show you guys what's in this box, and I just can't wait to see what's inside. I will go ahead and link their website and my discount code down below, and then be sure to check out their Instagram. I believe they are doing a Instagram giveaway, so go ahead and check that out. But let's go ahead and start and see what's inside. That is the packaging there. Isn't that super cute? It has like this little baby box tissue, and then they have their little hashtag shop baby box. It looks like they have an Instagram, Facebook, and a Twitter. So when I open on the inside, you have this little pamphlet that shows you everything that's inside. Let's put this down. Alright, so the first product we have in here is this sensory book. It's a cloth book, and this one is priced at $9.99. This is so cute. Tails coming out here. Oh my gosh, I can't wait until he can actually hold on to this. A parrot, a tiger, and a crocodile. With fun touches for little hands to explore on every page. This is super cute. I've been looking for one of these, so I'm super glad that this comes with it. So this is meant for early learning and fine motor skill development. So that is so awesome, and I cannot wait for him to be able to play with this. I'm going to be throwing this into the diaper bag so he can play with this wherever we are going. So this is super cute, and this is valued at $9.99. Alright, next we have here is a milestone blanket, and this is for $19.99. So basically you can track their monthly with this blanket. Let me go ahead and open this for you guys. Woo! This is so soft. Oh my goodness, I was not expecting it to be so soft. So, let me hold it up for you guys, if you guys can see. Just let me scoop back a bit. See, from 1 month to a year. This is super cute. So he's officially 1 month, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to take a photo with him on this blanket. So next, this was one of the products I was super excited about. I seen somebody else open up their baby box, and I saw this, and this is a portable white noise machine, and this is valued about $15.99. And this is a convenient travel soother. Keep your baby calm anywhere, simply attached to the stroller or diaper bag. So let's go ahead and open this up. So it has this little strap that you can strap onto your diaper bag or onto like your car seat or your stroller. And there's buttons on the side here that says how long you want it to go. There's 15, 30, or 1 hour, or 60 minutes. So they have 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 60 minutes that you can set it up for. Alright, so this next product is a snot sucker, and this is valued at $49.99. Baby Elijah has been going through the stuffiness, and I want to go ahead and give this a try because I've been using the ones that the doctors gave. So I'm excited to give this a try. Alright, the last two things in here is for the mama, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys that. Alright, so it is wintertime here in Minnesota, and it is so cold. So I'm so excited for these, and these are fuzzy socks. And the thing I love about these fuzzy socks is you have these like non-slip on the bottom. Bring these to the next hospital stay if I have another child. And that is Cozy Fuzzy socks are retailed at $3.99. Alright, and the last thing is this portable razor, traveling shaver, which you can take with you. This is going to be great for your hospital bag or for traveling. So this says spray with refillable water bottle, lather with water activated pre-shave bar, lather with water activated pre-shave bar, and you go ahead and spin it one more time. I hope I'm spinning it the right way. Yep. And then I spin it over and it says shave. Then rub in remaining lather for extra moisture. That's really cool. I'm gonna see if I can open this up for you guys. Oh, I'm not very strong. And this is how it looks like. So it's very portable, and then you just would twist all of this stuff. Okay, so there you go. That's the spray. So you go ahead and you refill it and you spray it, and you would twist it again, and that would be the soap bar that you would use, and then that is the razor. Alright, that is all for the baby box. Make sure you head over to the website. I will go ahead and get that link down below. It is shopbabyboxes.com, and go ahead and check out their Instagram as well. Like I said, I think they might be doing a giveaway, and I will go ahead and link down my discount code for you guys to use. I have to move forward because the sun is like starting to hit me on the side of the face. And then that is all, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below what was your favorite product in this baby box.
Alright, that is all for today's video. Go ahead and subscribe for more videos.